Hello, and thank you for your interest in HomeData. Your inspection's improved. When you first open HomeData, you'll be greeted with a login screen. As a new user, you'll need to click Register here to create your account. For this demo, I'll be using the account that I've previously made. Also, please note that for this video, I'm using the web application at HomeData.Metisoft.Solutions. All of the features and functions are exactly the same through the web application and on mobile devices. So let's jump right in. When you first log into HomeData, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, where you can see your recent inspections and quickly access the major features of HomeData. If at any time you get lost, you can use this drop-down menu in the top left to return to the dashboard or to access major features. Let's get started by looking at the template creation. Here in the template creator, you can organize your templates by type, such as rehab estimate, or if I had several others, it could be move in, move out, paint, cleaning, anything you want, really. And every user comes preloaded with a general rehab estimate. Let's take a quick look at that so we can get a feel for what goes into a template. Inside the template, the green headers show you your location. Those can be exterior, interior, kitchen, bedroom, basically whatever your main header would be in your inspection form. Since locations can get quite long with items and options, you can minimize them to free up space and rapidly navigate through the template. Let's go back to Template Creator and add a new template. We'll call this Video Example 1. To start, we need to add a location so we know where to start the inspection. We'll call that in the kitchen, and now we need to add something to inspect, an item. I will add an item with 5 options. I could use the hotbar to add anywhere from 1 to 5. And if I wanted more, I could click Add Option to add additional options. So let's say I want to inspect countertops, and I want to say if they're good, bad, dirty, if they need repair, or they just need to be replaced. Next, I think I'm going to want to inspect the stove with the same 5 options. I could create a new item with 5 options, but then I'd have to type out each of these again. So instead, I'm going to click the clipboard to copy countertops, and then go up into the location and click the clipboard again to paste it. Now all I have to do is rename to stove. Great, I'm going to add one more location, the exterior. And for this, we'll create an item with 3 options for landscaping. And those options will be $500, $750, and $1,000. HomeData saves everything as it goes along, so all we need to do now is click back to the dashboard. To start a visit, we'll click on Visit, and I've already preloaded Madison, but you could always click and add another city. For the purposes of this test, let's do number 11 Fake Street. We'll add the property, and then we'll click on it to start the inspection. Now we need to choose which type of inspection we want to use. Right now, all I have are rehab templates, but again, you might have move in, move out, pre-paint, cleaning, general maintenance. So we'll click on the rehab estimate, and we'll click on the video example that we just created. HomeData loads up the template exactly as I made it. So this is what you'll see on your mobile device when you're out in the field performing the inspection. Let's say the countertops are good and they're actually in great condition. So I'll click over here and leave a note. Great. HomeData saved the note, and we can see that here. On a mobile device, if I wanted to take a picture, I would tap the camera icon, and then I would be able to take pictures using my device's camera. Those pictures will be stored both in the HomeData and also on your phone. So there's no need to retake pictures if you want to use them for marketing or for some other use outside of HomeData. Now let's finish up this inspection really quick. The stove is dirty. Actually, it needs to be replaced. So you can always change your mind once you've made a selection. And there's $500 in landscaping. back to the dashboard, and we can see that our inspection of 11 Fake Street using the Video Example 1 template has been completed. We can jump to it directly by clicking on this arrow, or we can click Review to see all of the other inspections that have been performed. I'll just jump straight to it, and there we go. The inspection is completed, and it has saved my options. From here, I can print this out, or I can just keep it stored on my mobile device for later reference. That covers the major features of HomeData. Thank you for your interest, and check us out on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Thank you.